All right, this setup right here with this battery, it's gonna last me about an hour, all right? Especially on the throttling of the actual system, all right? So we're outdoors, you could take this pretty much anywhere. I have an hour to play games out here, maybe stream, do all sorts of things. When you have a lot of power like this, you need a large battery, but because this is not a large build, it doesn't consume a lot of power. It's a 600 watts. It's easier to take with you. And like I said, it's about 97%, about an hour. So let's start this. I'm going to show you the throttling. Right now we are transferring output 250 watts, all right, over the actual system. So we're outdoors right now in my little backyard here. Well, not big, little yard, but we are going to stream later down the line when I'm playing games or car races. I'm going to show you guys here why I got this. The reason I got this is I want to take it anywhere pretty much. Video editing. Okay, first of all, I tested out. It ran for an hour, you know, a little bit less than an hour, of course, but because the actual video card started throttling, started running in there, of course, as soon as you hear it kicking in, you're going to be running a lot more power through it. Now, it did finish under a little bit under 45 minutes of gaming, but it gave me an idea if I'm going to be traveling with this, maybe take that battery with me if I'm going to do outdoor editing. But this is great. I mean, if next choice would be probably getting a larger video card, but I don't have enough room on this on this mini case. Overall, the system looked really well. It played really well. It was able to handle pretty much anything. And instead of me buying the laptop, I think I made a great choice by, you know, building this small little desktop, getting ready for CES, and covering the pretty much the whole event, and editing and publishing at the same time. So make sure you guys stick around to see more coverage on CES. And if you guys like videos like this, let me know. And let me know if you want me to cover something out there that you guys are interested. And I hope you guys subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.